Good morning, children. Today we are going to do formal invitations card form. In last video we did informal invitations and that were in letter form. Now children, these are the card form. We have to give our message in 50 words. We have to inform what, when and where, but in a card form. Now how to make these cards? First of all, we need a box. In a box, now we'll start with the name of the people giving the party, giving the invitation. See, I have one here. Mr. and Mrs. S.S. Aluwalia request the pleasure of your company at the marriage of their daughter Gurleen to Gurpreet, son of Mr. and Mrs. Kuldeep Malhotra, Jaipur. Now see children, I have informed what? At Gurdwara Singh Sabha Ganganagar on Sunday 12th October 2019 at 10 am and afterwards at Hotel Park Plaza, Jaipur Road, Ganganagar. When and where? RSVP 30 Civil Lines, Ganganagar. Phone number is mentioned here with best compliments from all relatives and friends. And your card is completed here. Now, the question comes, what is RSVP? RSVP is a Latin phrase which means who should be contacted in case of any query. Who is responsible for throwing this party? Done, children? Now, I have one more example. Let's see it. Mr. and Mrs. M.L. Ticolo request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the birthday party of their son Chinkara on 17th May 2019 at 8 pm at Hotel Imperial, the Mall Road, the Mall, Chennai. Now after this you could also add followed by dinner or your presence is desired and will be cherished. RSVP 31 Crescent Road, Chennai. The phone number is mentioned. See children, they have beautifully made this card. The box is a must. In 50 words, they have given their message. The different fonts of writing are used. I have one more example of an inauguration. MS Florence Fashion announced the grand opening of their Florence exclusive outlet. The address is given. Inauguration, timings and date is mentioned. Now since it is the inauguration, it should be done by someone. So a celebrity's name is given by cinestar Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. All are cordially invited. Inaugural discount 20% on all clothes and accessories. RSVP is mentioned. The box is closed. 50 words they have mentioned their message. Card could be of any occasion, engagement, marriage, silver jubilee, golden jubilee, success party, housewarming, anything. Depends upon the question what is being asked to you, whether it is a formal invitation or informal. Okay, now comes one more category of formal invitations, that is the invitations of schools and universities. Now see children, you people are in school, so many occasions take place in school. Annual functions, sports day celebration, book fairs, so many things. We do invite people, we do invite celebrities. How to frame those cards? The cards are framed on behalf of the principal, staff and students of Indian High School Dubai, request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of 60th annual function of the school on December 28, 2019 at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. See, they have mentioned what, when and where. Now, they are mentioning the name of the chief guest. Shri Navdeep Singh Suri, IFS, Honorable Indian Ambassador to the UAE, will be the chief guest and will give away the prizes to all the meritorious students. RSVP Principal, Indian High School Dubai. Telephone number is mentioned and email of the school is also mentioned, and the box is closed. Now, since this is the card of the annual function, it could also be made for the sports day. It could also be made for the book fairs. It could also be made for the anything, any occasion, inauguration of the auditorium in the school. The school cards are made in this way. You have to learn the format, you have to learn the language of these formal invitations, children. Thank you and goodbye.